Hey, welcome back to Kelley's Garage. If you haven't gotten your merch, hit up the website. Help a brother out, support. Oh, I got this spinner around. I gotta do that. Especially if you love spraying. So, anyway, today's video is going to be an unboxing of a TBM brake kit. I have a 19 Redeye. Some guys that have the 20 and ups have the larger brakes. So if you want to run a set of 18s in the front, you'll have to get either a 19 and lower brakes, or you'll have to get a TBM brake kit for the front. So let's dive in, see what it comes with, and following this video, we'll most likely do an install video, but being myself and as fashioned as I am, I can't just unbox these and throw these on the car. So we'll have to unbox them, take them apart, send them out for powder coat to keep with the theme of the car, which is red and white. So, here we are. Looks like we have some DOT 5.1 brake fluid. These are going to most likely be the hub. Like mounting bolts and hardware, mounting bracket, brake pads. Look how cute and tiny they are. So here are the brakes. These are the calipers. They look very boring and bland. You know what they need? Some red. Ooh, that's light. So, when we were out at OSW, we put the car on the scales. It weighs 42.48 with me out of it. So the car by itself weighs 42.48. These are supposed to drop, I think, 33 pounds off of each corner, or maybe 33 pounds in total. I'm not 100% sure about that. So we might be at close to 4,200 on the dot, or just under 4,200. So we'll definitely put these on the car after powder coating, and then put the car on the scales and show you what it weighs. I will have these brakes for sale. These are the factory 6-piston. They are off the 2019 Redeye. Once again, I do have the rear calipers for sale. I do not have the rear rotors because they rusted, and I was like, I wouldn't put those on my car, so I wouldn't sell them to somebody. So I do have the calipers. I do have the rotors and calipers and brake pads for these. Do have the brake pads for the rear too. So it comes with rear calipers, rear pads, no rotors. Full brake kit in the front. Not that it matters, but we'll be replacing, when we do the TBM brake kit, we'll be replacing the factory rubber brake line. So those will go with the kit if you want them. Asking $1,500 or best offer. But yeah, here we are.